Good morning to you all. Saturday morning meditation. You all are going to connect mind to mind, heart to heart, virtually. Saturday morning, maybe you all are home with your family. Before you start your day, we all are going to find some time for ourselves. This is our morning practice, going inward, pause, how we feel, how our emotion works. Whatever time you spend this morning, it will help you to have a productive day because of this practice. This practice will help you to find some contentment, acceptance, joy, and balance in your life. Therefore, having that trusting heart and mind, let's meditate. Send your loving thoughts towards yourself, thinking, I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. Now send your loving thoughts towards your family. May all of my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now send your loving thoughts towards whole world. May all living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Different people, different parts of the world, different countries. May all of them be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now slowly turn your attention to your breath. Every breath you take in, you take out is taken mindfully. Focus on your natural, ordinary breaths. No need to repress your thoughts. No need to control your thoughts. Let them come and go. Again and again, each time, if you are distracted, bring your attention back to the breath or present moment. Sometimes meditation seems to be difficult because our concentration is not well developed. It takes time. Therefore, be patient. Keep doing with good intention. Where's your mind? Please bring it back to the breath or present moment. Our minds are very busy place, always busy. Our mind and our body are interconnected. Therefore, our physical body activities also engage and very busy. Each activity happening in our body and mind, we always reacting to them. Sometimes you like them, sometimes you don't like them. Sometimes you attach to them, sometimes you are ignoring them. Our minds are busy. When our minds are busy, sometimes we are experiencing exhaustion, we are tired, exhausted because of that busyness. Whatever happening in your mind and body, always happening whether you like or not, whether you agree or not, that is the nature of the mind. When you have a busy mind and busy body, how we are calming down, that's what important. Not controlling what is happening in your mind. How to calm down of this process of activities. It is wonderful to have an active mind and active body. If we are mindful enough to observe its reactions mindfully. People are trying to keep this mind empty. What is the empty mind? The person who understands the nature of the mind, how mind works, definitely that person experiencing an empty mind. Person who experiences the empty mind, there is no reaction, there is no negativities or positivities, just accepting where it is. When you have full of things in your mind, when you keep reacting to them, always you are creating more problems, more distraction in your mind. The best way to empty your mind, understand how your mind works. How your mind behaves. how your mind reacts. What are the things mind telling you to do? Are you mindful about all those dramas, all those activities happening in your mind? Even full of activities going around in your mind, there is no negative or positive reaction. You are accepting as they are, way it is. Then you have empty mind. Then your mind is content, more than happy. You are accepting and respecting the situation, things as they are. There was a famous Buddhist monk in northern Thailand. He is a great master, great practitioner, but he cannot speak any foreign languages, English or other languages, only his native Thai language. But he had so many Western students. He made lots of Western students, even he doesn't speak English. One day, one of his Western students, so curious how he made this many students without speaking even a word in English as a foreign language. He was so curious how these people turned into his teachings, following him, because he is not a public, giving public speeches, talks. Then he was thinking, the student was thinking he wanted to ask this question without speaking English language, how you made these students? Then he asked that question from the master. Then master said, yes, I don't know English, but I know 2 words. Whoever come to me, whoever wants to learn from me, when they come to listen to me, I just use those 2 words. What are the 2 words I am using? I just saying to them, empty, empty, happy, happy. That is his wisdom. All the smart students, they got this message. Empty, empty, happy, happy. Is it possible for you to do this? If you want to empty your mind, the best thing you can do, understand the rhythm of the mind, not go against the rhythm of the mind. Don't make any rules for your mind. Mind itself is perfect. It is a wonderful organ we have, but we all have to have some mindfulness to deal with our own mind. Don't let your mind to control you. Can you be a master, or can you master in your mind? That's what meditation does. Therefore, this Saturday morning, I am asking you all, empty, empty, happy, happy. Now we are going to chant. Today we are going to chant Metta Sutra, Loving Kindness Discourse. I am chanting, we all are chanting for you, all loved ones, people who need blessing, people who requested prayers. You all are in my heart. I am chanting for you all purpose of this chant for healing, blessing and protection. Please listen to the chant mindfully and attentively. Bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Iti piso bhagava arahang samma sambuddho Sampanno sugato lokavido anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati satta deva manussanam buddho bhagavati swakato bhagavata dhammo sandintiko akaliko ehi passiko Panchantam veditam bovinyo hiti supatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho supatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho nyaya patipanno bhagavato savaka sangho samiji patipanno bhagavato savaka sangho yadidan chattari purisa yugani atta purisa pungala esa bhagavato savaka sangho ahuneyo pahuneyo dangineyo anjali karaniyo anuttaram punyakketam lokam sati etena sanjavanjena dukkha upasamintute etena sanjavanjena bhaya upasamintute etena sanjavanjena roga upasamintute karaniya manta kusalena yantam santam padam abhisamincha sanko ujucha sujucha suajotam samudu anatimani santonsa kocha subarocha ampaginchocha sallaukavanti santindriyocha nipagocha ampagammo kulesu ananugindo najakundang samacare kinciyena vinyo pare upavadeyum sukino akemino hontu sambe satta bhavantu sukitanta eke jipana bhutanti tasavata varava anavase sadigava ye mahantava manjimarassa kanukatula dintava yeva andinta echa dure vasanti avidure bhutava sambhavesi va sambe santa bhavantu sukitanta naparo parannikumbeta nati manyeta kanta chinang kanji vyarosana patika sanyānānya manyassa dukkha miñjaya mātāyatāniyam puntang ayusa eka punta manuranke vampi samba bhutesu mana sambhavaye aparimanam සංච සම්බ ලෝකස්මින් මාන සම්භාවයේ අපරිමාණං උද්දං අදෝච තිරියංච අසම්බාධං අවේරං අසපන්තං තින්තං චරං විසින්නෝ වාසයානෝ ආයාවතංස විගත බින්දෝ ඒතං සතින් අදිත්තේය බ්‍රහ්මමේතං විහාරං ඉදමාහු දිට්ඨිංච අනුපගම්ම සීලවාදස්සනේන සම්පන්නෝ කාමේසු විනය්‍යගේ දන්නයි ජාතු ගම්බසෙය්‍යං පුනරේති තේන සංච වංජේන දුක්ඛාූපසමින්තුතේ තේන සංච වංජේන වයාූපසමින්තුතේ තේන සංච වංජේන රෝගාූපසමින්තුතේ සම්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සම්බරෝගෝ විනස්සතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ දීඝායුකෝ භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ දුක්ඛං පත්තාච නිදුක්ඛා භයං පත්තාච නිබ්බයා සෝකප්පත්තාච නිස්සෝකා හොන්තු සබ්බේ පිපානිනෝ ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you very much.